Morning, y'all. So this morning we've got a quick change of a Hydroflo fill valve washer. It's going to be a simple job. Let's get in there. Let's get it done. Okay, so the problem with this is it's filling up and not stopping. Basically, it's a Hydroflo. We know that because it says Hydroflo on the side there. Now, to make it easy, you can take this off by the bottom here, and this then will pull out easily. All we're going to do is change the washer that's inside this. So if we can take that off, and you've got the washer there, so we change this for a new one. I'll just do that. So that's now got the new washer in. Just put it back in there. And tighten it back up. Making sure that this is free to move. Nice and tight. Just got enough on that to move it up, and then to turn the water supply on back down at the bottom on the service valve, and that's it. And as that starts to fill, it will push the float valve up and stop the water. So if you like these videos, remember to hit that like button, subscribe. It makes the channel grow. It allows me to do a lot more videos for yourselves.